Today we want to introduce you 3 easy and money-saving methods for epoxy pouring. In these methods you don't need epoxy molds, and using too much epoxy. Your slabs will not become rectangular or shape of mold, but they will be in their natural forms. So keep with us to end of video. Mix two cheap materials and make a stable wall. So epoxy have to be poured in this pool. Cover the one face and all edges with cellophane wrap. For 1 to 2 times epoxy will leak and adhere the cellophane to wood. So for next times it will not leak out more. If the void was at mid-area of a slab and surrounded by wood, its filler has to be closed by using paper and hot glue. Then it will be filled by resin like a pool.